I don't know where I'm going to find this thing. This Geo's like 30-something years old. It's an off-brand train. It's got a train compressor. Ancient Geo. So I got to find a blower motor wheel for this. 1996. I think they need a new Geo. Look what I found. For this crusty Geo. Well, we're gonna see if we can get this rolling apart here. Pull it. Puller. Jeez, a piece, it don't want to come off. There we go. That's all that's left of the other wheel. It's a 10, let's see, it's a 10 by 10 wheel. It's kind of common. Kind of common. jeez. This thing was taken apart when I got here, so I'm gonna have to put it back together. Jeez, oh Pete. Man, that thing don't want to go on there. It's got crap on the shaft, so I just got to line my flat spot up. That would be a good spot for it right there. Come on, get on there. Come on. All right, so there's two holes right there. Two holes right there, or pegs, and I gotta swing this thing up. It's a fun, jolly time. You stay. Stay right there. It's just wedged up there. There it is. Good old Crusty's put back together. Give this one a nickname. Crusty the Geothermal. Crusty the Geothermal. Test our capacitor too while we're here. Let's see, 10. Let's see what we got. Oh, I got 3.6. 3.6 out of 10. Let me go grab a capacitor. All right. Right. Let me find the stuff to get this back together. There's one panel. There's the other panel. That's it, dude. Let's see if she sparks. Let's see. Got 2 banks of strips running. Banks of strips already, so third bank probably hit here in a few minutes. Not sure how it's actually controlled though. But I wasn't hired to look at that. Oh jeez, come on now. It's hard to replace a blower motor or a blower wheel. That's all we're doing. That Geo was super crusty. It's Mr. Crusty the Geo. It's like Crusty the Snowman. Crusty the Geothermal. But that customer called up, said, hey, I need a blower wheel. Okay, so I go out, figure out what I need. Luckily I found one. I had one in the local supply house. It was a 10x10 blower wheel. Counter counterclockwise or something. I can't remember. Clockwise. It doesn't matter. Whatever. It's fixed. Yeah, so basically he just said, hey, I need a blower wheel. And that capacitor was wasted, so I just put a capacitor on it to go with it. But he already knows he needs to get that thing replaced, because that thing is absolutely a crusty mess. I mean, that thing is rough. The thing was installed in 1994, and he really hasn't maintained it. He hasn't really did anything with it. It's like some kind of train knockoff. I mean, I don't know. I don't even know. I didn't even pay attention to the brand. All I know is it's got a train compressor sitting in there, and it kind of looks like a train, early train to a certain extent. I don't deal with many Geos, but yeah, that thing needs to be replaced. And I told him, I'm like, hey, you know, your tanks, the water heater, you know, the water heaters need to be replaced, because that's got a de-superheater on it. Those need to be replaced. The pump block needs to be replaced. The Geo needs to be replaced. And I don't think they're into spending money right now, because it's going to cost a pretty penny to replace. They already had an estimate last year, and it was on the cheap, I guess. I don't know, but I was a couple $1,000s over that estimate this time around. I don't know, and I don't know what tax credits are out there for them. I'm not sure. I know we got some tax credits coming down the pipeline through some bill that was passed, I think, on the federal side. Even there's stuff coming for air to air, but as of right now, there's not too much on the federal side for heat pumps. So we got that thing up and running. Strip heat's running. I didn't really hear a compressor, but it might be quiet, not sure, but I know it's low on charge. He didn't want me to get into it, let's put it that way. He just knows he's got to get something done, and I don't know if he's going to have us do it or the other company that quoted him, not sure. But either way, we'll take care of him, doesn't matter. But that's it for this one. That's Crusty Geo for you. Alright, you guys know what you need to do. Like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.